Spell red.
Red. L-S-T-E-R.
Alright guys, so what I got for you today is the grounding kit for the Genesis Coupe 2.0T. I got this from Lambda Performance. I will put a link down below where to get this, the benefits for getting something like this. It allows for the car to not have voltage drop, which is a pretty common thing in this car. All the grounds are pretty crappy from factory, so just a little help. You could possibly see some difference. You might not notice it. It really just helps with like efficiency of sending signals back and forth throughout the car. So yeah, I'll show you where everything goes, how to put it on, what you need, and it shouldn't take more than 20 minutes to do. But yeah. So first things first, before we even start this, you want to unplug the negative from the battery, because you don't want to accidentally blow a fuse or something. All right, so now we got the negative taken off. Now to start unraveling this. So as you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 connections that all lead into one, and this is where you'll put it near the battery side. All right, so the first mount that we're gonna do, or the first ground we're gonna do, is the one that goes here. I already have a few things on here. This is for my fog lights that I have wired in. But yeah, so we're just pretty much gonna sandwich it in between all of this. All right, so right now I have the ground taken off. You're gonna take the second longest wire in the kit and put it in here. But first, I'm actually just gonna clean off all the paint that's here. I'm gonna sand it off so I have like a better contact point. As you can see, I now have it down to bare metal. I'll be putting the ground back on now. So now what you're gonna do is you're going to put this one like this. This one's gonna go right back where it was. And then you're just gonna thread this one right back through the hole again. All right, so that's spot number 1. The next 2 locations are actually gonna be right here. The next one is actually that bolt right there. Okay, so for this one, I've seen a lot of people put this sensor actually down here, just for like a cleaner look. It's like all personal preference. It doesn't really do anything. So it is the same thing, 10mm bolt and another 10mm bolt down there, and you'll use the 2 shorter wires to do that. Okay, so this is how it looks with the sensor relocated. It is a little bit cleaner. Towards the end, we'll be doing a little bit more cable management, so everything will be tucked away a little bit nicer. But for right now, it's just kind of rough the way it's being put in. The next one though goes right there. I already took the bolt out. Okay, so what I did was I actually put the sensor back, but yeah, that next ground goes right over there. So for the last one, it's way down in there. What they recommend is that you put it on where the starter is, but I don't feel like doing that, so I'm gonna try my best to show you exactly where I'm talking about. It is hard to get in there, so hold on. So I did get the last one in through here. I don't know if you can really see it, but the line that goes from here over. So there is already a pre-existing ground spot that's there. just gotta reach down in there and kind of eye it up through like a little peek hole that you can see, and you can get it done there. All right, so now we go on to the other side and then connect all those wires up to this mounting spot right here. That'll just get connected right there. Yeah, so then after that, just plug back in the battery. Make sure everything is plugged in if you unplugged anything else. All right, so wires in. Make sure everything's all buttoned up the way you want it. Get all your wires out of the way. Then just plug back in your battery, turn on the car. So all I really needed for this install was just 2 different types of 10 mils. I needed a deep socket and then a regular 10 mil, and then also a extension. Other than that, it was like a 25-minute job. Got it done quick. So that's the end of the video. I'll catch you in the next one. More than likely be mod list and future build plans for the car. But yeah, catch you on the next one.